Application of artificial intelligence, machines and computers affect how we live and work. Top companies are continually rolling out revolutionary changes to how we interact with machine learning technology. DeepMind Technologies, a British artificial intelligence company, was acquired by Google in 2014. The company created a neural Turing machine allowing computers to mimic the short-term memory of the human brain. Google's driverless cars and Tesla's autopilot feature are the introductions of AI into the automotive sector. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla Motors, has suggested via Twitter that Teslas will have the ability to predict the destination that their owners want to give via learning their pattern or behavior via AI. Furthermore, Watson, a question answering computer system developed by IBM, is designed for use in the medical field. Watson suggests various kinds of treatment for patients based on their medical history and has proven to be very useful